Hey guys, look at the tree. They call it flamboyant tree. Look how beautiful it is. And then look what they did in it. Look, they put flowers in the middle. You see? Wow, and orchid. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Wow. You see the tree? Look at the flowers. Look at that one. Wow. Gorgeous. I love that flowers. Look at that one. I love it. So beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look. I was passing by doing my workout, and then I saw it, and then I said, okay, you know what, let me come and do that video for my subscribers. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Look. You see? So it's a good idea if you have a tree, a big tree in your house, so you can do the same. By your pots. Those are roses, beautiful roses. Look, and look at the tree. I want to show you the tree again. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Wow, how is that? The roses. Look, they put the flowers, the plants, all over the tree. I think that one they call it spider plants. This is the spider plants. And then here that one, look at that one. So beautiful, you see? Look at it. Look at that. Wow. So beautiful. You see all those plants? They are important. I have that one. I have that one too. Look at that. I have it. You remember on my Mother's Day videos? That's the one they gave me at church. The little boy gave me. OMG, look. 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 Oh my gosh. You know? Wow. Yeah, I'm going back so you can see the tree. So you can see what I'm talking about. You see, it's all around the tree. All around a big tree. In French they call it flamboyant. I don't know the name in English, so guys, I will find the name for you and then I will put it. So OMG, it's so beautiful. So guys, it's time for me to go home. It's nice. We have a nice breeze, but the sun is a little bit hot. The heat is you see, the heat is high. Look at the orchid. I like the orchid they put here. Look at that. Look at that. So I need to go home to drink. I need to go home to drink. Right guys, bye.